What makes this course unique, I think, is the fact that we can spend time in the field. So we have 2 field trips where we go to different places in the area. We spend time mist netting, catching birds, seeing birds up close. We spend time with our collection.
In the lab, it's very field work based, so it's fun to get out in the field.
Definitely the labs. It's cool because you realize, like, when you're doing the class, you're out looking at birds while everyone else is, doing stuff at their desks and whatnot.
We start like the first half of the semester learning the taxonomy of the birds, and then second half is field trips and kind of doing stuff in the field, which has been really fun.
It's special in that we're learning, but we're also fostering an appreciation it's hard to get otherwise. And it's unique to this class because this class is all about birds, and it's something that I hope that students can take with them for the rest of their lives.